It was mostly sunny. The temperature was 80.
Alert! That's tornado warning! Alert! Here we go! Ah!
This is the National Weather Service office in Binghamton, New York. The towers you just heard were a check of the specific area message, including inform alert systems from northeast Pennsylvania and central New York. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message, information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message, including inform alert systems.
Warning device for station WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Pike, and Schuylkill. And in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Windsor County and northeast Pennsylvania. Helping each other.
So yeah, if you're frustrated too, here's your chance to make a
Moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damaged vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wilkes-Barre, Nanticoke, Plymouth, Edwardsville, Lawrenceville, Ashley, Dorrance, Slocum, Preston, and Sugar Notch. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a
Nope.
That program originates from the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey. The station provides a 24-hour broadcast of 7-day public forecast, hourly observations, local climate data.
SCR.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania.
northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m.
14 p.m. A severe thunderstorm.
SCR for PHI.
For your student a world of opportunities and small enough to provide the one-on-one support. Ask students into your college visit list and discover for yourself. Plan your visit.
Gilbert, Ferndale, Pleasant Valley, Revere, Huntsville.
Alright, SCR for PHI.
Several. For your protection, move to the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm. Counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks. With that. Counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Lehigh, and Northampton.
Alright, SCR for PHI.
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 9:30 p.m. At 8:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bragg or near Montrose, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Susquehanna, Susquehanna Depot, Halstead, New Milford, Great Bend, Lanesboro, Salt Springs State Park, Lakeside, Hickory Grove, and Alfred.
5 minutes of extra time, and then in the extra time was when that one dude was down on the ground.
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 9:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Susquehanna, or 13 miles southwest of Deposit, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expected damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Susquehanna, Susquehanna Depot, Lanesboro, Thompson, Streca, Sarnuka, Orson, and Lakeview. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.